Want these? Then watch till the end. Hello guys. This is free items from Halloween event 2021.
It's very easy, but some of you might not get it, so I wanted to make a tutorial. Let's get right into the video. Press the Halloween icon. There are many events to join here. Look, you can even win 400 Zems. But we are here for the free items, so just scroll and scroll. Press invite friends. Now press this thing. You can enter your friend's code here. Enter my code. This will help me too. If you're done, just press this. Now press check and take a look on your gift box. By the way, this is just my alt account. Now receive your prize.
Here is where you can see your own code and copy it, although you can't use it to invite yourself.
Now once you copied your code, share your code to a friend and let them put your code. But since this is my alternative account, I don't need to claim it here. Now if you'll be able to get 5 friends or more, you will be able to get all the items. Press the Halloween icon again and claim your free items. When done, it's all in your gift box.
If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one.
This is how it looks like.